So we are here at Vaidya Sarovar and the place is getting prepared for Adinavasi initiation. I hope you can see the beautiful Shivalinga behind me. So today in the satsang, Swamiji shared his vision for the whole of mankind. He shared his vision for the whole of mankind, that was become Adinavasi and manifest powers. That is the main fundamental starting point of his vision for all humanity. Of course, the whole vision, if you see, it will be case by case for different people and will be very elaborate, where it has to be explained in a very elaborate way. But the common thing which Swamiji shared for all humanity was come, become Adinavasi and manifest powers. So I'll share something about Adinav lifestyle. So it's like waking up at 4 a.m. Why, you might think, why I'm talking about waking up at 4 a.m. See, I'll tell you, in the outside world, waking up at 4 a.m. was lot difficult than how it is here. What point I'm trying to make is, everything is very supportive here to make that extraordinary routine, extraordinary lifestyle happen, which is very difficult outside. And as an Adinavasi, see, the whole point of, what is the whole point of morning routine? One, physically you're healthy and you can live for as long as Swamiji is on planet Earth. That is the vision which Swamiji wants us to hold for him, that I live as long as Swamiji lives. That's so beautiful. Second thing is having the Shaktipada and the spiritual maintenance or spiritual thing, connection with Swamiji, with Sadashiva, through daily puja. So these things are very beautifully covered in the morning routine. So the whole lifestyle of the Adinam is very supportive for all these things. And what Swamiji said about Adinam lifestyle is, he said, an Adinavasi who is sitting and doing nothing also is 1,000 times more useful to himself and to the society, to the world, by being an Adinavasi rather than being an outsider. Someone who's living in the Bhuloka. This is Kailasha. So right now everybody is gathering around here. So we'll continue on this. For now, that's all. Thank you. Nityanandam.